The YIHUA 948D-I Desoldering Station boasts a powerful 110-watt capacity, making it highly effective for desoldering various through-hole components quickly and efficiently. With an adjustable temperature range from 716 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, this station allows for precise temperature control, enhancing the accuracy of desoldering tasks. The inclusion of 3 preset channels enables users to switch between commonly used temperature settings with just one button, streamlining the workflow and saving time. Its sleep and auto standby modes are designed to reduce wear and extend the lifespan of the nozzle and heating element, while also enhancing safety by preventing unsupervised operation. The tiltable display is a thoughtful feature that provides excellent viewing angles, improving the user experience during operation. Equipped with upgraded nozzles that offer higher thermal mass, this desoldering station ensures easier solder removal and accommodates different joint sizes with multiple nozzle options.